Have you ever stopped to notice something strange about modern life? It feels like a paradox. The more money you earn, the less you actually seem to save at the end of the month. It's an uncomfortable truth, but for many people, a higher paycheck doesn't automatically lead to more financial freedom. Let me introduce you to Emma. She is a dedicated professional who just received some fantastic news at her tech job. She got a significant promotion. Her new salary is now $80,000 a year. On paper, that sounds absolutely great, right? It feels like she's made it. But before we celebrate, let's look at the harsh reality of her finances. First, the government takes its share. After taxes, she actually takes home about $60,000. Then comes her living situation. She upgraded her lifestyle and now pays $1,500 a month for a nice apartment. That alone is $18,000 a year gone. Then there is the car. She bought a newer model, so her car loan is $400 a month, totaling almost $5,000 a year. Add in her student loan payments, the credit card bills, weekend dinners, and the latest gadgets she just had to have. Suddenly, another $12,000 has disappeared from her account. All of a sudden, that $60,000 take-home pay doesn't feel so big anymore. When you do the math, only about $25,000 remains. This money has to cover savings, emergency funds, or any unexpected expenses that life throws at her. It's a very tight margin for someone earning so much. Now, look back at last year. When Emma earned $65,000, her lifestyle was much simpler. She lived in a smaller apartment, drove a reliable used car, and had no major credit card splurges. Surprisingly, she ended up saving nearly the same amount back then, maybe even more than she does now. This is the hidden trap that keeps the middle class poor. It's called lifestyle inflation. It is the psychological phenomenon where when we earn more, we automatically feel the need to spend more. The entire system is designed to encourage this behavior. Easy access to credit, social pressure, and constant ads, they're all telling us we deserve the next upgrade immediately. Let's pause and really do the math. If Emma had kept her old lifestyle while earning the new salary, she could have saved an extra $10,000 a year. In just 5 years, that would be $50,000 of pure cash, and that's not even counting the compound interest or returns from investing that money. The reason we fail is simple human psychology. Our brains constantly compare us to others. We measure ourselves against peers, and we want to reward ourselves for our hard work. Unfortunately, that reward is usually spending money on things rather than buying our future freedom. Ignore this, and over a decade, high salaries just result in more debt and stress. Financially intelligent people think differently. They treat raises as a chance to invest and build options, focusing on control, not just paycheck size. Next time you get a raise, ask yourself, am I actually richer or just slightly more expensive? No guilt, just clarity. If this helped, consider subscribing for more reality-based insights.